Welcome to Ayur Herbal Wellness. Here I share home remedies, health product reviews, healthy lifestyle tips and healthy recipes. Today we make healthy recipe using red capsicum, which is bell pepper. Bell pepper has many health benefits and known for its goodness for heart. Folate and vitamin B6 lowers the risk of heart disease. Its antioxidants protect body from free radicals. With the same method of preparation but different ingredients, we can make two types of dishes. A side dish for idli and paratha and a dip and spread. Let's do the chutney or pachadi or paratha side dish preparation. Now we see dip or spread preparation. Please subscribe and share. Thank you.